Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now in today's video, I am going to discuss the solution of a mathematics question that was asked in one of the shifts of JEE Main 2025 April session exam. This question is based on the topic of sequences and series. It says, let A1, A2, A3 and so on are in arithmetic progression. It is given that summation k varying from 1 to 12 a2k minus 1 equal to minus 72 into a1 divided upon 5 and summation k varying from 1 to n ak equal to 0, then the value of n is. Now students, summation k varying from 1 to 12 a2k minus 1 is nothing but a1 plus a3 plus a5 and so on till A23. Because when you put the values of k from 1 to 12 in A2k minus 1, then you will get the right hand side of the summation. Now students, since A1, A2, A3 are forming an arithmetic progression and A1, A3, A5 and so on till A23 are the equidistant terms of this AP, so they will also form an arithmetic progression. But their common difference will be double of the common difference of the original AP. So if I consider the common difference of the original AP as D, then the common difference of this new AP is going to be 2D, right? Now students, just use the formula to find the sum of n terms of AP. Now since there are 12 terms, so the sum becomes 12 upon 2 into 2a1 plus 11 into 2d, and this sum is given to us as equal to minus 72 into a1 divided upon 5. Now students, for the sake of convenience, I am taking a1 equal to a. So now the equation becomes 6 times inside the bracket 2a plus 22 into d equal to minus 72a divided upon 5. Now this becomes 12 times a plus 11d equal to minus 72a divided upon 5. Now divide both sides of this equation by 12. So you will get a plus 11d equal to minus 6a divided by 5. Now students, we move further. Now students, the equation becomes 5 times a plus 11d equal to minus 6a. Or we can write 5a plus 55d equal to minus 6a. From here, I get 55d equal to minus 11. Now divide both sides of this equation by 11. So you get a equal to minus 5d. Now students, we have also been given the summation k varying from 1 to n ak equal to 0. That means the sum of first n terms of this AP is 0. Now just use the formula to find the sum of first n terms of the AP. So it becomes n by 2 into inside the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And this is equal to 0. Now students, n cannot be equal to 0. So we get 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. Now in this equation, put a as minus 5d. So we get minus 10d plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. Now just take out d common. Inside the bracket, we get n minus 11. Now students, obviously d cannot be equal to 0 because if d is 0, then a will also become 0. And in that case, the sum of first n terms of the AP will be 0 for every value of n. So the question will become meaningless in that situation, right? So hence, d is not equal to 0 and we get n equal to 11. So that means option C is the right one. Now students, next question I will post in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.